Hello, this is Adarsh Gopal. I'm the CEO of Prixgen Tech Solutions. We started Prixgen Tech Solution in the year 2018 as an enterprise consulting organization serving for the mid-sized segments, specialized in manufacturing processes, the financial auditing, and digital business transformations. We begin our operations with ERP implementations, and after that, we take care of the financial auditing as well for our clients. At last, we're going to take the factory automations and Internet of Things wherever it's applicable. In our journey as ERP consultant, we started with Microsoft Business Solutions and then worked with SAP for more than a decade. We had a lot of international clients who are looking for a competitive solutions. They were not getting with the right implementation partners and the right tools. And I was there badly, looking for such products which don't manage only a data, but also interact with humans on our day-to-day operations. And we found Odoo is the right product and it's the right fit for a mid-sized organization who take care of ERP as well as advanced software solutions.
Hi, this is Karthik Hatti. I am the co-founder and director of Prixgen Tech Solutions, and I look after the sales and business development for my organization. Odoo is helping us a lot to bring more sales and more leads, and we have been doing a lot of achievements with Odoo. And we are not a software company, we are a consulting company. We do a lot of consulting sectors and consulting segments in a lot of industries as such. In last 6 years of journey, we have onboarded 45 customers, out of which 95% is our retention rate. And we have upgraded a lot of customers from version 11 to version 15 or 17 to the latest version as well. This is a journey of Odoo and how Odoo has been helping us a lot.
Hi, this is Harshit Kumar. I'm the product manager at Prixgen Tech Solution. As an enterprise consulting organization, we primarily focus on providing end-to-end solution to our clients. Having said that, we as a product development team build industry best practices on top of Odoo standard. Over a period of 6 years, we have built innovative custom applications using Odoo framework, such as distributor management system, where OEM is connected with the retailer for the supply chain activities, and order planning engine provides the flexibility to the planner to plan the production under make to order process. We have a practice of building custom solution, do the simulation and testing in our lab, and deploying at the client place.
How did Odoo help us to grow our business? I would like to put it in another way. How Odoo is still growing our business. Odoo is helping in every way possible. Odoo is getting us a lot of leads. Odoo is helping us to grow our market in a different reach altogether. Odoo is taking us to exhibitions. I just want to give one example here. So we had an inquiry which is from Danish, that is from Denmark-based company. The MD herself, she had called Odoo US, Odoo Dubai and Odoo India to know the background about Prixgen. So they wanted to do their due diligence and they got to know that Prixgen is a really good partner, and that is the capability of Odoo. Odoo is helping us in every way possible to make sure Prixgen is growing and the partner is growing in every possible way.
As a consultant of Odoo, we are really happy and confident on Odoo platform, which allow us to build our custom solutions and ideas as per the market need. We would strongly agree with the statement of Odoo saying all your business needs on one platform.